Hello, it's the Ben and Ken Show. I'm Ben Nyberger.
And I'm Ken Kugelberg.
And we're from Generation Law, and we're going to talk about decedents' estates or probate. So, in another vignette that we did, we talked about what's in your probate estate and what isn't, but how do you set up a probate estate? What do we have to do to go to the judge to do the probate?
Well, we need to find out, first off, was there a will or was there not a will? Because that will need to be filed with the court. And then once that's determined, there's a petition that needs to be completed, and an affidavit of heirship that needs to be completed.
And that's like who your family is.
That's basically your family tree printed out in a paragraph form.
Now, what's interesting is when you go through probate, the state has made a will for you unless you made one yourself. And of course, you're not going to like what the state has because the state made it for you. And when you go to probate, you have to give notifications to everybody who's named in the will and all of your family who would get money if the default rules applied, so that they can come and fight about it. In case somebody got gypped out in the will and somebody was holding somebody and twisted their arm and make them sign their will.
That's correct. Somebody could contest that will and the validity of it.
Very exciting for us, not for you. So you file this petition. You file all the stuff with the court, and then what happens when you come back to actually open the estate?
When you open the estate, the judge will ask a number of questions and look at the paperwork, determine that everything is in order, want to make sure that everybody received notice and that everybody knew what was coming on, and if there were waivers to be signed, make sure those are there.
And what kind of waivers? Like waivers that I know that the probate proceeding is occurring?
Right. There's a probate proceedings are going on, and that you don't have any problems with the person that's being appointed as an executor, and that person will be either through the will or the statute lists who would have preference.
That sounds complex. Do you recommend somebody doing a probate by themselves?
I don't recommend that because
it's fun.
Is very complex.
So that's it for the Ben and Ken Show today.
Thank you.